Hello dear food lovers, I admit today's recipe isn't gourmet cooking. Nonetheless, these rolls taste absolutely delicious. It's perfect for when you're in a hurry and makes a great party dish. We need just a few simple things. Choose any rolls you like and then add some freshly grated cheese on top. I'm using Emmental cheese, but any kind will do just fine, and for the meat it's mixed. We're missing the key ingredient, Bolognese seasoning mix. You can make it easy and buy a packet. But I'm all for making it from scratch. Maybe make a bit extra to keep. For this recipe, you'll need rosemary, oregano, sweet paprika, and pepper to taste. It can be white or black, doesn't matter. We need thyme, a little bit of sugar, a pinch of salt, and also some cornstarch, please. Let's go ahead and make the seasoning mix. Add cornstarch into a jar along with oregano. All the details are in the info box below the video. Add the pepper, mine is white. Also add the sweet paprika. In goes the sugar, rosemary, and salt. Gently sprinkle in some thyme last. The order really doesn't matter at all. Firmly seal the jar and give it a really good shake. And our seasoning mix is ready. Now we pour water into a large enough bowl, preferably sparkling water if you have it. The bubbles in the water make the meat mixture especially soft and tender. Add the seasoning mix. Mix all the ingredients well before adding the ground meat in. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. You can use your hands, but I prefer using a fork. Now carefully cut the rolls in half. Carefully and gently place a generous heaping tablespoon of the well-seasoned meat mixture on each half of the roll. Spread it evenly on the roll halves using a knife for a smooth finish. Line a baking tray. With parchment paper, carefully place the roll halves on it and sprinkle generously all over with grated cheese. And now we meticulously place the rolls into the oven to bake at 170 degrees for 15 minutes. And that's it. We can enjoy these delicious rolls. Maybe add a bit of ketchup or Worcestershire sauce if you like. As you could see, the preparation is really quite simple, but trust me, they taste absolutely amazing. I hope you have a lot of fun making them and enjoy your meal.